Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time on my channel, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make spaghetti with meatballs in pasta sauce, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, like and share. For the ingredients, I'll be using ground or minced beef. I have here pasta sauce, garlic and onion olive oil, 2 eggs, bread crumbs, Parmesan cheese, chopped onion, chopped garlic, fresh parsley, bay leaves, black peppercorns, salt, and spaghetti. So to start with, I'll transfer the minced beef into another bowl. And to it, I'll add 2 eggs. Half a cup of bread crumbs, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and salt, and I'll mix them together. So next I'll be scooping them into balls, and I'll be coating it with bread crumbs, bread flour, so it's all done at this point. Next, in a saucepan, I'll add olive oil, and I'll be frying the meatballs for about 5 minutes. And for the meatballs, you don't have to fry it thoroughly, because you will still be adding it into the sauce to cook. So just to brown the skin. Next, I'll be removing it and set it aside. So for the sauce, I'll add another olive oil to the saucepan. And to it, I'll add the chopped onions. I'll stir it for a few minutes. And I'll add in the garlic, chopped garlic. I'll be leaving the ingredients in the description box below so you can check it out. Next, I'm adding in the pasta sauce. So I'll give it a stir and I'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So next, I'm adding in the peppercorns and the bay leaves, black peppercorns, some curry powder and paprika powder, So next I'll be adding in the meatballs, and I'll let it simmer for another 5 minutes. So I hope you are enjoying this recipe. This is very simple recipe you can have for lunch. Next, in another saucepan, I have my water boiling, and I've added a pinch of salt, and to it I'll add the spaghetti. And I'll be cooking it on a low heat for about 10 minutes. So I've added in some olive oil, which will prevent it from sticking together. So I'll stir and let it cook for 10 minutes. And it's been cooking for 10 minutes. At this point, it's all done. And I'll take it off the fire. I'll strain the water and set it aside. And at this point, the minced beef sauce is all done and ready to be served. So this is a very quick and simple recipe you can have for lunch. So, and the sauce can be, you can also have the sauce with rice, yam. And I hope you have enjoyed this simple recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.